what should your expectations on pay be? So if you're currently finishing school or you just graduated and you've got, this is pretty common, I get these questions a lot from people, is they just got a mechanical engineering degree, electrical engineering degree, and they want to go directly into sales instead of going the engineering route. They know that that's the path they want to go. Here's the first hurdle you're gonna have to come over, is that most likely when you're in school, you're looking at an ME or a double E, and they're telling you your salary is gonna be this. So you're looking at jobs and it's like 80, 90, $100,000 a year to start. If you have zero experience in technical sales, most likely your beginning offers are gonna be much lower than that. You're gonna be in the $50,000, $60,000 range to start, but you do get commission, you do get perks like car allowance most likely, you do have an expense account, everything's done remotely, so you've got flexibility there, but you need to lower your expectations from a salary standpoint. Now you could get lucky and you could find something that's like, hey, with that experience and what we do, the service we offer, the product we have, or whatever it is that that company does, the capabilities that they sell, that they'll bring you in at 90,000, cool. Somebody with a few years of technical sales experience, their base salary is going to be between 90 and 100. Somebody with 10 and 15 years of technical sales experience, at this point in time, their base salary will maybe be between 100, 110, 115. Doesn't usually go much beyond that. Maybe the 120s, 130s. But where you make your money in technical sales is on the commission. It's not on the base salary. So if you're just graduating school, or if you're a project engineer, for instance, or if you're in quality right now, you're a quality engineer and you want to get into sales, or you're some other department and you have no sales experience, just understand, and I'm the hiring authority, I'm gonna look at it like, well, you have no sales experience and you've got all this other experience, but that's not really valuable to me, so you're not really worth it that much. Now, unless I see something in you, or if I've got recommendations, or I know that you could do the job, then maybe I'll bump up that base salary. But you have to go into it knowing that most likely, I'm not saying never, but most likely you're gonna have to lower your expectations on the base salary a little bit to get started. Once you get your foot in the door and you work a couple of years to 3 years experience at one company with proven sales records, now if you ever wanted to leave and go to a different company, competition, or different industry, now's when you can bump up that base salary. You can start to increase it pretty drastically. But without a proven record, even if you've got 2 years experience in technical sales, if you don't have proven record of success and you didn't do a lot for that company, you're still not going to be worth the 90s to 100s. Sometimes you get lucky, like I said, but most likely it's going to be a more difficult sell. So make sure that before you get into this field, do not go in thinking, well, I'm a mechanical engineer and I've got a degree and I should be getting paid $90,000 a year and it should be the same for technical sales. It's most likely not going to be. So as long as you're comfortable with that, then keep going through the process and keep going through the search to find that right company that you want to work with.